a good day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nelia Sumarago, 33 years of age. I am living in Mandawi City, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons, 17 years old and 12 years old. I am a high school graduate and my husband's work was Shopee delivery. I have a 6 years and 6 months experience in abroad. 2016 to 2018, I am a domestic helper in Kuwait. I serve 6 members of the family. The husband and wife, 13 years old daughter, 8 years old son, 4 years old daughter, and a newborn baby. We are living in the flat house. I do my household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, and laundry, taking care of children, and sometimes I am assisting assignment in the school. The second experience was there in Qatar for 2 years as a caregiver. I serve one member of the family, the 63 years old woman, a stroke patient, bedridden. I serve and assisting her for like her personal needs like bathing, giving food, giving medicine. I give the food through picture and also checking for the vital signs and sending her in the hospital if they have an emergency. The third experience was there in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. I serve 8 members of the family, the husband and wives, the 3 daughters, and the 3 sons. At the age of 23 years old, 21, 18, 16, 14, and 12 years old. My household chores was cleaning, laundry, and ironing. I send the baby in the school and take them if they are finished. I'm also going to market to buy their needs, and thank you. I am looking for a job that suit to my ability and skills and showcase and sustain knowledge and enhance my personality. Thank you and see you soon.